Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how these guys are making money every single day. You can see this person withdraw money today, 9th April 2020, 9th April 2000. These are people today. This amount of money are withdrawn. This is a PayPal and PayPal instant. You get your money immediately. I'm going to talk about what this website, how you can make money, how you can sign up and everything. You can see this 100% work and it's work worldwide, so you don't have to worry about that. You can sign in, log in and start to make money from this website. Before that, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, like and share and press the bell icon. You will get notified. Also, don't forget to like my videos. Again guys, I bring a free knowledge by these channels, making these videos. I try to upload one video per day, so if you really like my video, click the like button. So this website is Offer Nation. Okay, it will pay up to now around $809,000 to the members, right? They once you sign up, you completing the offers and you get paid for each offers. So first is it take less than 60 seconds to sign up, and you can make money by answering survey. Is a main part of the earning point here, and or completing offers, and number of survey available here unlimited. I will talk about here, I will show you guys and everything right now. And you get paid through PayPal, Skrill, Paysa and Amazon. You can use the different payout if you want, but these are the favorite, and they do PayPal instant if you made over $1. So in order to make a withdrawal, you need to have a $1 in minimum, and you can immediately get that money into your PayPal account. So you can see the review is over 4.7.8 and 4.78. So the site is good and over 286 reviews, so you can trust it 100%. So what you have to do, you have to go here, and if you want to check out the payment flow, you can go and check it out. I already signed up, so you need to get over there and sign up, and it will take to this page. It is a home page. So I'm going to show you everything that how you can make money from this website. First we have to go to here, paid survey. If you click that, it will take give you a list of drop down menu. So for example, if I click this one here, and it will take you to another page where you have to sign up for this website. So you can complete offers and you can make money by that. So this is Offer Nation survey size. You can, if you complete this survey, you get 70, 80 pence, 80 pence, $1, 80, 110. You can see number of surveys here. So this is one part of the Offer Nation. So if you click this one and click Opinion Capital Survey, there's a different list drop down menu, so you can click either one of them and it will take to the different section of the website. So here, what you have to do for this section, you need to register for it. See, what this website do is they provide their own survey. This here under the most popular survey and daily paid survey, US survey world. These are the Offer Nation one. These sites are other survey sites. So when you click that, it will take this page. You can sign up inside the Offer Nation and you can start to complete offers and you can make money from that too. So you can see this one, and you can say, for example, go to your offer survey world, see what is inside. See, you need to complete a certain section inside the Offer Nation to let you know your interest and everything, so they can put appropriate survey in front of you. So or other survey like say so online survey, if I click that over here, you need to get access. Again, you need to click that and go over there, sign up, and you can make money by completing that. But there's other section here, is called offer rules. If I click that, these are the section I am talking about. If I click the first one, this will take you to this page. You can complete offers and start to make money, guys. So you can see for him, from here, you can complete this one, you can get 55. This is a point section, but this is a 55 pence, 79 pence. Save time is 52 pence. Take is save 34 pence. Quiz diva fortnight 9 pence. You know, different amounts are you get paid, guys. You can see it from here. Once you get it up, you can withdraw that money using any payment option. So for example, if I click reward section, and you can withdraw cash, gift card balance, or payment proof. So if I click withdraw, I will take it to this page. Again, you need to have $1 in minimum for PayPal. For the PayPal instance, you have $1 for the screen and $5, and the Bitcoin is $40. I recommend right now you go with PayPal. It's more secure than Skrill, my point of view, and Bitcoin. Don't go with that right now. And this is one part of the section. You can make money. Also, you can make money by referring your code. So for example, go to here and refer a member, and it will take to this page. There you have a referral link. If you promote that link, and you can earn up to 25% of the referral earning. So you can see referrals are a fantastic way to increase your earning. You earn 25% of everything your referrals earn through the completing offers and service. So you can see they give an idea how you can promote and everything. So what you can do, you can copy this link and put it in a social media and write a smaller paragraph and promote that. If you have a Facebook group or fan page or Instagram, something like that. I'm going to do something different. I have a website right now, so I could make a banner advertisement. So you can see I copy this code and go to my website here and go to here. I already have a banner advertisement for another website, but I have 3 of them, so I'm gonna remove one of them here and paste the code and tag visual dismiss. Okay, you can see save, and my banner is active on right now. So when visitors come to my website and watch my articles, once they click banner, I will get 25% commission from them, guys. You can see the banner advertising is up and running. If you have a website, here is easy way to promote your video. Once you set it up, whenever the visitor come and click, you get 25% revenue share. And one more thing, guys, you can see also you can enter for the cash contest. You will automatically enter for that. You don't have to worry about that. When you sign up, you need to click the term and condition box. Once you did that, it will add your username automatically to the $1,000 cash contest. You can see this person win price amount is 350. You can see different people are winning that different amounts. You will enter automatically. You don't have to do anything, and you have a more chance to win 1,000. You have because a number of people knowing this website is very less, my point of view. So you have a chance to win it. So don't just waste your time, guys. If you have a free times, go and check it out, because you can see again these overs, hundreds of overs are there. So other service side like Creamy have a limited amount of survey every single hour, but this one have an unlimited access to different surveys. So if I think you can make after $20 to $40 every single day, but you have to spend many hours to make money. You can spend around 1 to 2 hours, and you can make up to $40 by completing these hours, guys. Again, guys, thanks for watching my videos. If you really like my videos, subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to like my video, and see you in the next one. Have a pleasant day. Thanks, guys, for watching my video.